Okay guys, let's install Visual Studio Code to our computer. So open up Google Chrome and type here Visual Studio Code and just go to the official website. Okay, and download for Windows the stable one. So you can see our download has been started. So it's downloading. We need this Visual Studio Code uh, to run codes. Okay, let's run Visual Studio Code. Click I accept, next, and create a desktop icon. Click next, and you are good to go. So we are setting up our dev environment. So we need Visual Studio Code to manage our project files. We have to write down all of our code through this Visual Studio Code. Okay, our Visual Studio Code has been installed. Click over it and this is, yes, this is our editor. So you can use the dark theme or the light theme. I prefer light theme because I like this one. Okay, so this is it guys. You can open up any folder you like, any project you like, by clicking over this open folder file. So yeah, this is it. So I will see you in the next video.